Hello everyone. Today we are going to start from question number 6 of worksheet 7.2 class 9. Question number 6 is you have to read the question very carefully. The main motive is first understand the question. If you understand the question, then solution will become very easy for you. It will create problem if you don't understand the given situation, given question, that what that question actually tells us. So question is, triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle in which AB equal to AC. This is triangle ABC, AB equals to AC. Side BA is produced to D. Whenever we produce a side, extend a side, then direction matters. Side BA is produced means from B to A. This way it is produced to some point D such that AD equal to AB. This is given to us, and then we are asked to show that angle BCD. This is angle BCD. This is a right angle, means this is of 90 degree. Now we will take the solution of this question. Write the given and to prove. Angle BCD is of 90 degree. Now let us do the proof. Remember, we have done one theorem that if in a triangle two sides are equal, then the opposite angles are also equal. In triangle ABC, which two sides are equal? AB equals to AC. Remember, opposite angles will also be equal. I'll give the numbering to the angles. I number this angle 1, this is 2, this is 3, and this one is 4. Right? So which two angles will be equal if AB equal to AC? Obviously angle 1 equal to angle 2. Therefore angle 1 equal to angle 2. Reason? Because angles opposite to equal sides in a triangle are equal. Right? Now same case, we will take the second triangle. In triangle ADC, AC equals to AD. The two sides are equal. Again their opposite angles will also be equal, means angle 3 will be equal to angle 4. Therefore angle 3 equals to angle 4. We will give same reason which we have given above. Right? Now almost the last step. Take the whole triangle you can see in this diagram, which is that BCD. In this triangle I am going to apply angle sum property. In triangle BCD I am going to apply angle sum property. Angle 1 plus angle 4 नंबरिंग करी है, प्लस इसको पहले पूरा नाम लिख दें, एंगल BCD, that is of 180 degree. What is it? This is angle sum property. ठीक है. Now angle 1 plus angle 4, BCD देखना जरा डायग्राम में, 2 plus 3 we can write. BCD is 2 plus 3. अब देखना मुझे कौन सा एंगल चाहिए, BCD चाहिए. ठीक है, 90 डिग्री का प्रूव कर. BCD में कौन आ रहे हैं? 2 and 3. So that means I need 2 and 3. See what I am going to do. What is angle 1? We have shown equal to angle 2. Replace angle 1, and 4 we have shown it 4 equal to 3. Replace angle 4 here. What is angle 1 equals to angle 2? एंगल 1 को एंगल 2 से रिप्लेस करो, 4 को किससे रिप्लेस करो? 3 से. ठीक है. दिस 2 plus 3 एज सच. ये ध्यान रखना, हमें चाहिए क्या? हमें BCD चाहिए. BCD में 2 and 3 आ रहे हैं, तो 2 and 3 वी नीड, रेस्ट वी डोंट नीड. उनको हमने रिप्लेस करना है. बस इट्स ऑलमोस्ट डन. सो एंगल 2 plus एंगल 2, 2 times एंगल 2, सेम इज 2 times एंगल 3, दैट इज 180. 2 से डिवाइड कर दें थ्रू आउट, या 2 कॉमन निकाल लें. एंगल 2 plus एंगल 3, 180. 2 times एंगल 2 plus 3 इज एंगल BCD एक्चुअली, 180. सो 2 को उधर ले जाएं, BCD 180 over 2. What is that equal to? It is 90 degree. Now we'll take question number 7. triangle ABC is right angle triangle. It's a right angle triangle in which angle A is of 90 degree. I have made the diagram here, and side AB equals to side AC. AB and AC, these two sides are given equal, and we are asked to find angle B and C. Now we'll see the solution of this question. Solution is very short and simple. Remember, if in a triangle two sides are equal, simple thing is that their opposite angles would also be equal. So here in triangle, I have written given and to find here. Remember, nothing to prove here, to find. And then solution in triangle ABC, which two sides are equal? AB equals to AC. So simple thing is that their opposite angles would also be equal. AB is opposite angle, angle C. AC is opposite angle, angle B. Therefore angle B equals to angle C. Reason दे देंगे, because angles opposite to equal sides in a triangle are equal. ठीक है, which two angles we have shown equal? Angle B and angle C. Both are equal. I'll assume say each is x. Assume कर लो थोड़ी देर के लिए कि each is x. That means this is x, this is also x. ठीक है. Now what we will do? Simply angle sum property is going to help us. बस angle sum property लगाएं and then we'll get the answer. Now by angle sum property, sum of three interior angles is how much? It is 180 degree. Angle A plus angle B plus angle C. What is that? 180. A is given of 90 degree. B is x. C is also x. That we have assumed कि both are x, as both were equal. 90 plus x is 2x. 180. What is 2x? 180 minus 90. So 2x is equal to 180 minus 90 is 90. What x is? 90 over 2. That is 45. What was x? Angle B and angle C. यही तो पूछा है हमसे इसने. Therefore angle B and angle C both are equal and each is of how much? 45. Now we'll take question number 8. Question number 8 is, it is about an equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle, a triangle in which all three sides are equal. All the three sides are equal, and we know one thing also, that all the three angles are also equal and each angle is of 60 degree, and this is what we are asked to prove, that show that each angle of an equilateral triangle is of 60 degree. Right, simple question. Now given, I have written triangle ABC taken. Is an equilateral triangle means all three sides are equal, and what is to prove? That each angle is of 60 degree. All three angles equal to 60 degree. Now see how to do the proof. Here first of all, in triangle ABC all the three sides are equal, लेकिन आपको two sides लेनी है one by one. ठीक है, तीनों साइड इकट्ठी नहीं लेनी है. You can take any two sides. Here like I have written AB equal to BC. AB equal to BC, and remember, if in a triangle two sides are equal, then their opposite angles are also equal. Their opposite angles are equal. So AB's opposite angle C, BC's opposite angle A. So A and C both are equal. This I have assumed. If both are equal, say each is of x. ठीक है, अगर दोनों इक्वल हैं तो हर एक को आप x के इक्वल ले लिया. अब take one more pair of equal sides. Here you have three options. कौन सी three option? एक AB and BC, second AC and BC, third AB and AC. सिर्फ दो options लेनी है, और कोई भी दो options ले लेना, हमारा purpose solve हो जाएगा. Like here I have taken AB equal to AC. If in a triangle again two sides are equal, then their opposite angles would also be equal. So AB is opposite angle C and AC is opposite angle B. So angle B will be equal to angle C. That is same reason. So B equals to C. What? C was actually X. So B is also equal to C. Then B is also X. ठीक है. So यहाँ से conclude करना. So this implies A, C both for X. B is also X. What we can conclude? That all the three angles are इक्वल, इस क्वेश्चन में पहले यही प्रूव करना पड़ेगा कि ये तीनों के तीनों एंगल्स इक्वल हैं, उसके बाद 60 है, वो स्टेप बाद में आएगा। तो यहाँ से ये प्रूव हो गया दैट ऑल द थ्री एंगल्स आर इक्वल एंड आई हैव अज्यूम्ड ईच इज इक्वल टू x। ठीक है, अब अगला तो आपको समझ में आ ही गया होगा शायद। नेक्स्ट स्टेप इज सिंपली एंगल सम प्रॉपर्टी। अगला आपने एंगल सम प्रॉपर्टी लगाना और वहां से हो जाएगा। नाउ बाय एंगल सम प्रॉपर्टी, all the three interior angles, sum of all the three interior angle is of how much? It is 180 degree. A x, B x, C is also x, so it is 3x equal to 180. So x is 180 over 3. What is that? 60 degree. So what is x? X तीनों एंगल्स के थे ए बी सी, सो हैंस प्रूव्ड दैट इज एंगल ए इक्वल टू एंगल बी इक्वल टू एंगल सी, ईच इज ऑफ 60 डिग्री।